Hello there folks, Josh from Authentic Watches back with a stunning Rolex to check out today, so don't forget to like and subscribe as we jump right into this. Today we have a mainstay of the Rolex line, an Oyster Perpetual 39, specifically 114300-0005. The Oyster Perpetual series line from Rolex has been around since the early 1920s, with a famous claim of being the first water-resistant watch. This watch is a continuation of that legacy, also being a water-resistant watch. You can see it here pictured in or videoed in its manufacturer box with the manual and green Rolex hang tag right there with it. So I'm actually going to grab it real quick so you can see it a little bit closer now, okay? Starting from the dial here, you can see we have a nice black dial color with these index hour markers. The case itself is made out of 9044L Oyster steel with a brushed, polished look with a domed bezel. Rated for about 100 meters or about 330 feet, this watch can go into the water but isn't meant as a diving watch. Do note that though this timepiece can go in the water, it isn't rated for hot water, so don't take it into the shower. Hot water can actually expand the seals on the inside, creating tiny gaps that can let in the moisture. So do remember to take it off before hopping into the shower. Now I'm actually going to show you how to set the time real quick. I already have the crown popped out, so it's a little difficult to do in my gloves, but to do that you would just rotate this until it pops out. I'm actually going to keep on rotating it until it pops out into the position. Perfect. Now I actually pull, and there it pops out in the first position. So now by rotating upwards, you can see me slowly, perfect, set the time, just like that. Go around and around. Perfect. Now it's set to 6:45. Not bad. Push it back in. Now I can keep on rotating this up. That's how you power it. Now onto the internals of this watch. This is an automatic movement watch with a Rolex caliber of 311 or 3132 that vibrates 28,800 times per hour. That's what keeps this watch so accurate. In fact, this one is rated as a COSC superlative chronometer certified, which means that this watch is about as accurate as a mechanical watch can get. Now it does come with a 48-hour power reserve. When backed up by that automatic movement like this one has, the watch should stay fully powered provided you wear it 8 to 10 hours in a fairly active lifestyle. For most people though, that means that this watch might run out of power every few months if you don't keep it on a watch winder. Just takes 40 to 50 upward winds like so to get it going again, okay? Now I'd actually have to push this all the way back down to engage, but you can see, perfect. There it goes a little bit. Moving on, you can see that this watch is on a 904L Oyster steel bracelet. Let me show you the sides right there. Perfect, right? Now it's an Oyster bracelet. You can tell that by the 3-link style. It has a cross right there. It also has these brushed markings down it. But if you were to look at the sides, you can see we do have it nice and polished look right there, don't we? Onto the back, we do have that Rolex claimant buckle style. Perfect right there. So this is actually a relatively simple looking Rolex, but that's not a knock against it. For those out there looking for a look you can take into any situation, this is a watch you should get. This is a clean, simple, well-presented look that avoids too much overt attention, yet has all the hallmarks of a traditional Rolex. Well, this is Josh from Authentic Watches, and that's all the time I have for you today. So make sure to tune in next time as we take our look at our next watch, okay?